In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank account with Expensify. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can link your bank quickly and safely and start using it for reimbursements, payments, or expense tracking. Make sure you're already signed into your Expensify account in your browser before you begin. First, look over to the left side of your Expensify screen. You'll see a sidebar with different options. Find and click on the option labeled Account. This is where all of your personal and financial settings are managed. If you don't see the sidebar right away, try expanding the menu icon in the top corner so the labels appear. Once you're in the account section, look for the tab or menu item called Wallet. Go ahead and click on Wallet. This is the central place where Expensify keeps your payment methods, including any cards or bank accounts you've already added. Taking a second to confirm you're in the right place will make the next steps much smoother. Inside the Wallet area, you should see an option to add a new payment method. Click the button that says Add Bank Account. This tells Expensify you want to link a bank rather than a card. If you already have other methods added, such as a credit card, you'll still be able to add a bank account alongside them. After you click Add Bank Account, Expensify will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Here, you'll need to fill in your bank details. Depending on your region and the connection method, you may be asked either to choose your bank from a list and sign in using your online banking credentials, or to manually enter your account and routing numbers. Take your time with this part and double check each field before you continue. Make sure that the name on the bank account matches the name on your Expensify profile to avoid verification issues. Follow each prompt carefully, and if you're asked to verify small test deposits or enter a code from your bank, complete those steps as soon as possible. When you've finished all the on-screen instructions, your bank account should appear in your wallet section. At that point, it's connected and ready to use within